Hey, my name is Zach, and in this video, we're going to be going over Rivery Kits. So Rivery offers pre-built data pipelines called kits. So to navigate to these kits, you can click on the kits icon on the left-hand side of the console. So this brings up all the kits that Rivery offers and can be searched and filtered as well. For example, if you want to look for a marketing and advertising kit, you could just click on marketing and advertising here, and you could also search for the specific kit here as well. So in this example, we'll look for the Facebook kit. And over here, you'll see the Facebook Ads Snowflake kit. Once you found the kit you're interested in, just click on Preview and to find more information on the kit itself. So this is all the information on this specific kit. I'd like to note that you want to make sure that you follow the instructions for properly configuring the kit over here. So in this specific kit, you're asked to create variables for both the Facebook Ads DB as well as the Facebook Ads schema. This correlates to the location in your database that the data will be written to. So once you've gone through all the different descriptions of the specific kits, we also do have like a data model available as well for each of the different tables, as well as a data model diagram explaining all the different tables that it offers, as well as the logic and what tables that it pulls from as well. Once you've decided on a kit, simply click on the Use Kit button on the top right. This will give you the option to input your connections for any relevant sources and targets. So if you can either drop down a specific connection if it already exists, or you can click Add New Connection. And from here, you can connect the different sources as well as the different targets that you'd like. If you don't want to connect those for now, all you have to do is click Skip for now, and then this will import the kit into your account. Once you see this pop up, that means that the rivers have already now been added to your account. You'll see that they're added under the group called Facebook Ads from Kits. So you can just click on View Rivers, and then this will show you all the different rivers that it's imported into your account. So these are all the different underlying Facebook rivers, as well as the logic river that kind of runs all different joins. Please note that these are also all added under the Facebook Ads from Kits group. So if you wanted, you can just filter on that specific group to see all the relevant kits as well.